This video and accompanying PowerPoint resource will help you understand the importance of digital transformation in the public sector. You get to understand the complexities in doing so and learn to optimize the potential of technological advancements. Get access to this feature-packed presentation now and grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. You will get insights into why digital transformation is a must for the public sector, unlocking a world of possibilities and potential for progress. It delves into the intricate details of digital transformation principles, including privacy and security, transparency, interoperability, and numerous other critical aspects. This PowerPoint deck provides information on the conditions that lead to successful digital transformation of the public sector. We touch upon the prerequisites, such as having a clear vision and effective operations management. You will discover the enormous potential of digital public services like 24/7 availability, faster turnaround time, lower cost, and less handling effort. Get this content-ready deck from the given link to delve deeper into the digital transition of public sector. This PPT presentation serves as an educational resource that will bring you up to speed on the latest trends in digital transformation. The critical piece is to ensure that you stay informed and well-equipped for the ever-evolving digital landscape. Discover how this transformation brings together aspects of citizen interaction, streamlining processes, and enhancing their overall experience. Whatever be the public service offered, a touch of digital is sure to add efficiency to it. Want more? Learn how automation is speeding up the process, increasing efficiency, consistency, and enabling data-driven decision-making. Gain valuable insights into the design and optimization of government applications for mobile devices. This content will provide you with benefits of user-friendly interfaces leading to a smoother experience for people. This complete deck is your one-stop solution to learn about the intricacies of automation in the public sector. Download it now.